Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. Make sure your iPhone is updated and has at least 20% battery, then sign into settings with your Apple ID. Once signed in, go directly to password and security under your name. This page lists trusted phone numbers and devices. Tap on Trusted Devices to view the list. You'll see devices described by model and location. Note which ones you no longer recognize. As a first action, pick the device you want to remove and tap it to reveal options. Once you've opened a device's detail view, choose Remove to revoke its trusted status. This immediately prevents it from receiving verification codes. If prompted, authenticate with your device passcode or Apple ID password. This step proves you authorize the change. Make sure to remove every device you don't use or recognize, and then double-check trusted phone numbers and email addresses listed under two-factor authentication. If a device is offline, removal still disassociates it from. After removing devices, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or restart your iPhone to force a refresh across services. This clears cached trust tokens. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and update trusted phone numbers to current ones so you don't lock yourself out. If a removed device still requests codes, immediately change your Apple ID password and revoke all app-specific passwords from password and security. As a quick fix, contact Apple support if you can't access your account. Keep proof of identity ready to speed recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.